Kim Smart with Smart Interiors, located in San Diego, California. My clients moved into a new home with tall ceilings and an expansive open concept. They were looking for ideas to break up all the large walls, and they were considering wainscoting. Now, I love wainscoting, but it's expensive, and we needed to have a budget to furnish their home, so I suggested wallpaper. My clients responded, "Wallpaper?" I said, "Yes, there are so many fantastic wallpapers out there," and once I showed them options that fit their style, they loved it. Let me show you the end result, and I hope you'll be inspired for your home. For starters, wallpaper can provide a lot of bang for your buck in terms of changing up the look of a space. There's no need to wallpaper an entire room the way people did years ago. Instead, choose a bold pattern and use it on just one accent wall. Here in the entry, we only wallpapered 2 walls. This is the perfect way to create that wow moment. This is actually one of my favorite ways to use wallpaper. In their dining room, the ceiling is 20 feet high. Graphic prints and geometric shapes are very hot design ideas in wallpapers right now. These bold patterns lend a playful modern look to almost any space. By papering this one large wall, it created a striking and unique design element. It also helps to create color flow by using the same color in fabric, finishes, accessories, and furnishings in adjoining rooms. You can create a seamless transition from space to space. If you're looking to incorporate texture into your interiors, wallpaper is a great option. Here in the master bedroom, we papered this one wall with a subtle texture called weathered paint. It is simple, stylish, and makes the room feel extra special. Textured wallpapers add flair and depth. As I said before, you can get more bang for your buck with wallpaper. The possibilities are endless. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of these accent wall ideas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.